Welcome to Tip Bohemia. Today in this video we are going to talk about the Cauchy integral test that will help us to study the convergence of series with the help of integrals. Let's see what it says. If ux is a non-negative monotonically decreasing and integrable function. Here we have to note that the series that we are going to talk about, the nth term, it should behave like a non-negative monotonically decreasing and integrable function. If it satisfies all the three conditions, then we can convert the series into an integral, keeping the nth term same, replacing n by x and then integrating it from 1 to infinity and checking if this is a finite term. If this is a finite term, this means this part is convergent, this implies this is also convergent. It is an if and only if result. I hope the definition is pretty clear. Let's apply this with the help of some examples and understand its application. So the very easy example that we have also done in the P test in the previous video is 1 upon n raised to power p, p going from 1 to infinity. We know, n going from 1 to infinity. We know that this series converges only when p is greater than 1 and diverges in other cases. This can be easily verified with the help of this test. Let's see some of the more tricky examples and solve them. Let's see this example. Can you clearly see that the inert term that is given over here is a decreasing sequence in itself? Exactly, it is decreasing. It's positive. Why? Because n belongs to a natural number. So it's positive. It's a decreasing series, monotonically decreasing. So we can obviously apply the result that we had just studied, that is the Cauchy integral test, to check its convergence. Let's move ahead and apply the test. So we have to do here is, we have to change this into a integral. We have to replace n by x and then integrate this from 1 to infinity dx. Let's see if this is integrable and comes to a finite term or not. So this can be written as x into x plus 1 to infinity. This can be further written as, we can plus x and minus x. Alright, we are doing this to separate it into two different terms. So this will give us x plus 1 upon x into x plus 1 minus x into x plus 1. Alright, now clearly we can see x plus 1 and x plus 1 gets cancelled, x and x gets cancelled. What we are left with is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 1 from 1 to infinity, and this comes out to be log of x plus 1. So let's open the bracket, we get log of infinity minus 0 minus log of infinity plus log 2. We are left with log of 2, which is a finite term, hence we have a finite answer of the integral. This implies this series also goes to a finite term and converges. So by Cauchy integral test, this is a convergent series. So you can see what we have to check is, it should be a decreasing term, it should be positive, and then we can apply the test and check if the series is increasing, if it's convergent or not, with the help of Cauchy integral test. I'll give you some example that you can try by yourself. So this is an example for you, try it. It might look terrifying, but it's not at all. You can try this with the same way that we have just done, using the Cauchy integral test, and you will come to an answer. Now just one extra thing that I like to mention here. As you can see, I have written over here log infinity. Now log infinity is infinity, and clearly we cannot use it this way directly, so we obviously use limits over here. I have just written it directly to cut short the lengthy process, but I hope it's clear to you that this is not the way to write it. What we do over here is, from here we can write it as 1 to t, and where limit t goes to infinity, and then solve it. And same goes here, so we are taking the limit as common and 1 to t, and when you will solve it, log t and log t gets cancelled, so then apply the limit. So this is the correct way to do it, because we cannot cancel an infinity with infinity, and you can see I did not cancel it over here. just left it for you to understand this part. But in case you not, so you should know that this is not the way to cancel it. We cannot cancel infinity by infinity. Infinity minus infinity is not 0. So better way to do is using the limit so you don't get confused. So what we'll get after this is, we'll get log x, and here we'll get log x minus 1. Both of them will have the same limit 1 to t, limit t tends to infinity, and this gets reduced to log x upon x plus 1 using the identity of log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. Now let's just substitute the value. What we get over here is log t upon t plus 1 minus log. So what will happen with this further? Let's see it. Following from the last step, we see when we have limit t tends to infinity and we are getting over here infinity by infinity form, what we have to do is we have to apply some logic over here. So we'll do log, if we divide t in the numerator and denominator, we get t upon t, that is 1, and 1 plus 1 upon t. So this becomes this. Now we can apply the limit t tends to infinity and we get log 1 upon 1 plus 0, that is 1, and over here we get log 1 by 2. Log 1 is 0, so we get 0 minus log 1 by 2, and this becomes our answer, which is again finite, and so the series converges. This can be also written as minus log 2 raised to the minus 1, which becomes log 2. So the same answer that we got before, but that was not exactly correct lengthy method. But when we are doing it in exam for rough work, you can take that shortcut, the one I took a few minutes back. But prefer this long process if you are going to mention it somewhere, because log of infinity cannot be cancelled from log of infinity. I hope you are clear with the concept. So the major portion of linear analysis covering point set topology, the basic, the sequences and series is going to end. So it's a good part for you. You can do all the linear analysis concept at a go. There are around 44 videos in the playlist. So if you want to do the complete linear analysis, don't forget to check the playlist. It's free and available for all. I hope it helps you, and it's a good opportunity for you to learn the way I got a good opportunity to learn. So I'm just sharing my part with you so that everyone can get a benefit from it. It was lovely to have you, and thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Tribhuima is signing off.